Welcome. This is day 21 of me asking my mentor for a capital to trade with by proving that I'm one of his top students. Let's go straight to the chart and let's see how our yesterday prediction played out. Yesterday, UDCHF, I was waiting for price to give me a pullback to these areas and to take the trade. And as you can see, throughout the whole day, it was just having the pullback. Just now it reached this area of interest, but for today, I'm not interested at all. I did not expect it to have a body closure. I was expecting for a quick pullback and to keep going to the upside, but it decided to have a body closure. Now for today, I'm gonna wait and see how this Friday candlestick closes. If it closes as a bullish doji or bullish pin bar, then I'm gonna be interested to take this trade next week on Monday for a buy. If and only if it closes as a bullish doji or bullish pin bar over here. So yeah, that's it. Not interested. And USD JPY. This is the trade that we took yesterday. You can go and check the previous videos that I made. And I was waiting for this one to closes, and I told you guys if it closes as a bullish engulfing, that I would exactly take the trade over there, and that's what I did. And price formed the price had a little bit of push, then a pullback, higher low formation, coming back to retest this support and resistance level, and they just kept going to the upside. Well, for now hear me out. Hear me out. Price is forming these things, right? Whenever it reaches the high point, it gives some kind of bearish rejection and it pulls back. Whenever it reaches the high point, it reaches some kind of it form some kind of rejection, bearish rejection candlestick, and it pulls back. High point rejection and a pulls back. High point rejection and it pulls back. Now it looks like we have reached the new higher high point and it looks like it's forming the rejection. So based on the market structure, yeah, price could form the higher low, a deeper pullback, than to keep going to the upside. But today is Friday. You have to take this on, you know, on consideration. And me personally, I do not want to hold these trades throughout the weekend. So what I am thinking is, if this one closes as a bearish engulfing or bearish doji, something bearish in rejection candlestick within 24 minutes, I think I'll just close this trade and take whatever profit I have before it start forming the higher low. Because I can just take my profit here and next week I can come back, and after it forming the higher low, I can catch up over here and look for my entry and take the trade once again to keep having the move to the upside. Do you understand me? I'm doing that because I am trying to grow a small account. And when you want to grow a small account, you have to be realistic with yourself. If it's a big account, if I'm like Alex, 100k, 300k, bro, I wouldn't give a fuck, bro. I would just leave this one, and it can do whatever it wants. But we are trying to grow a small account, so we have to take all the little profit that we can, so we can add those profits, and for the next trade that it's gonna let me to risk more, if you understand what I'm saying. And I am gonna do that. I'm gonna close this trade if we have a perfect entry on one of these pairs that I am interested for today. Actually, only one of these is playing out. Okay, let me explain you that, and we'll be back to USD JPY. This one, AUD card, we are forming higher high, higher low, higher high, shifted structure, pullback, we formed this beautiful engulfing, and now it's coming back to retest this structure point, retest the neckline of left head, right shoulder. This is a beautiful reversal pattern that you want to see. It's confirming us that it's time for the new lower low to be formed. And on the 4 hour time frame, this looks absolutely beautiful. This was the high point, this was the high low point. It shifted structure, it had pullback. Now it looked like it's forming the rejection. So it was in 22 minutes. If it closes as a bearish rejection candlestick, I can easily take this trade. This is literally telling us the lower high formation is done being formed, and now it's time for the new lower low to be formed. That's what this one is telling us, but we must wait for the 21 minute to finish and see how it's gonna close. So I am very much interested to take this trade after 21 minutes if it closes as a bearish rejection. The other one, AUD USD. AUD USD also the same thing. Price was forming higher high, higher low, higher high, shifted structure, pulled back, engulfing, and I was expecting for price to give me a weak pullback to come back and reject from this structure point, support, resistance, to use it as a resistance once again in the to to give me my entry over here to take the trade to downside. But as you can see, price just left without me. I was waiting for a deeper pullback around this level, but it is what it is. AUD NSD, AUD NSD. We were bullish. We are bullish, not where we are bullish. This is higher high, higher low. We come back to this area of interest. We rejected it. We formed this beautiful bullish engulfing, and on the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, we shifted the structure beautifully. This was the lower high point, this was the lower low point. We shifted structure, and what I'm waiting for is for the pullback and the rejection, then to take the trade to the upside. But keep this in mind, we are on Friday, okay? You have to take this on consideration all the time. And do you think within just one day, on Friday, if it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, okay, but this is Friday, within one day it have a chance to have the pullback, the rejection, and the push within just one day? I don't think so. So I just put it here just to see how it's gonna play out, okay? Just to see. Euro GBP, we are bullish. This is the higher high point, this is the higher low point. So we pulled back, we reached this area of interest, support. It have been used as support, resistance, and once again now it's being used as support. And it also came back and rejected the second area of interest that we have, very strong area of interest, and it rejected from it. This is a beautiful bullish rejection candlestick that you want to see whenever you want to take a buy. This is such a beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And on the 4-hour time frame, you can see how it clearly shifted structure to bullish. It was forming lower lows, lower high, lower low. We shifted structure to bullish, and what I was waiting or what I was expecting was for price to give me a bearish body closure to retest this structure point and give me the rejection over here, an actual rejection, bullish doji rejection from the core structure point, then to take the trade from here. But as you can see, it's just forming quick rejections, and I don't want to chase it. I don't want to do nothing. It's not looking that good. I mean, it's not worth it, bro. No, I think it will. I think it will have to move until this level, but not interested. AUD and NZD also. I don't think it's gonna have the pullback within one day. Maybe today it's gonna give me the pullback, then next week the rejection and the move will happen. AUD CD, it just left, I think, within 18 minutes. If it closes exactly like this, I think it will keep going to downside. So these three I am not interested. So the only one that we are very much interested is AUD CAD. So within 17 minutes we are gonna debate ourselves if we are gonna close this one and take AUD CAD. This one also could, come back over here and reject from the structure point and keep going to upside. It have very high chance of doing that also, because price is just forming a market structure. And it might also have a deeper pullback and have a body closure over here, then to keep going to the upside. That might happen too. So, well, okay, let me make this clear. If we have a body closure below this structure point, I will 100% close the trade. 100%. But if you don't have, it doesn't mean I'm gonna keep holding. But I will debate myself. But if it have a body closure below this, 100% I'm closing this setup. Okay, let me check the risk the risk to reward ratio, it will be what, 1 to 0.5. Ouch. 0.5 exactly, bruh. Yeah, if it goes over, it will be 1 to 0.4. It is what it is. Okay, I'll see. We'll see. We will decide within 16 minutes. Yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys on the next video. Until then, say don't forget.